Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, the channel where we help you keep your car in top shape. Did you know that a whopping 75% of engine problems are caused by simple maintenance tasks that most drivers overlook? It's true. Little things like dirty air filters, clogged fuel injectors, or even carbon buildup can slowly rob your car of its power and fuel efficiency. But don't worry, the good news is, you don't need an expensive mechanic to fix these issues. In fact, there's one simple thing you can do today to restore your engine's performance and get it running like new. Stick around because in this video we're diving into exactly how to do it yourself, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. 1. Cleaning or replacing the air filter. Alright. First up, the air filter. You might not think twice about it, but a dirty air filter could be silently stealing your car's power and fuel efficiency. Over time, air filters get clogged with dirt, dust, and debris, which makes your engine work harder. When that happens, not only does your engine burn more fuel, but you also lose that smooth acceleration we all love. Here's the good news. Fixing this is super easy and takes only a few minutes. Here's how. Locate your air filter, pop the hood, and find the plastic box that holds the filter. It's usually held in place by clips or screws. Open the box, remove the air filter, and inspect it. If it's full of dirt, give it a good cleaning with compressed air. If it's too clogged, it's time to replace it. Install the clean or new filter, snap everything back in place, and voila! Your engine can now breathe better, burn fuel more efficiently, and run smoother than ever. Trust me, doing this will not only improve performance but also save you money on gas. 2. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor, MAF. Next, we're talking about the mass airflow sensor or MAF. It's a small part, but it has a huge job. The MAF sensor measures how much air is coming into your engine and ensures the right mix of air and fuel. If it gets dirty, it can send wrong readings to your engine's computer, which messes up performance. So how do we fix it? Find the MAF sensor. It's usually attached to the air intake tube. Unplug the sensor and carefully remove it from its housing. Inspect it for any visible dirt or grime. Important. Only use MAF sensor cleaner. Never use carburetor or brake cleaner. They can damage the sensor. Spray the cleaner on the sensitive wires inside the sensor and let it air dry for about 30 minutes before reinstalling. Once it's cleaned, your engine will run more smoothly, the idle will be steadier, and you might even notice better fuel efficiency. 3. Using fuel injector cleaner. Fuel injectors spray fuel into your engine, and over time, they can get clogged with carbon and gunk. When that happens, fuel doesn't burn properly, leading to poor performance and higher fuel consumption. But don't worry, you don't need to replace the injectors. All you need is a bottle of fuel injector cleaner. Here's how to use it. Buy a trusted fuel injector cleaner from any auto store. Make sure it's right for your vehicle. Check your fuel level. The cleaner works best when your tank is near empty or about a quarter full. Pour the cleaner into your gas tank before filling it up with fresh fuel. Drive normally as you go. The cleaner will flush out the carbon deposits and restore the spray pattern of your injectors. After a few hundred miles, you'll notice smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and improved fuel efficiency. And the best part? It's a quick, affordable fix that can save you from expensive repairs later. 4. Replacing old spark plugs. Now, let's talk about spark plugs. These small parts play a huge role in your engine's performance by igniting the fuel and air mixture in your cylinders. But over time, spark plugs can wear out, causing incomplete combustion and rough idling. The solution? Replacing old spark plugs is an easy fix that can make your engine run like new. Here's how to do it. Check your car's manual for when to replace your spark plugs. Usually, it's every 0 to 100 miles. Let the engine cool down before you start. Use a spark plug socket to remove the old plugs. Inspect them for signs of wear. Black carbon buildup, oil deposits, or worn-out tips are signs they need to go. Install the new plugs, making sure they're properly gapped. Most come pre-gapped, but double-check. Tighten them carefully, reconnect the ignition wires, and you're good to go. With fresh spark plugs, you'll notice better acceleration and smoother idling. 5. Cleaning or replacing the throttle body. Next up is the throttle body. This part controls how much air enters your engine. Over time, carbon and dirt can build up, affecting performance. Here's how to clean it. Locate the throttle body. It's usually near the air intake tube. Disconnect any hoses or electrical connectors. Disconnect any hoses or electrical connectors. If you see carbon buildup, spray throttle body cleaner directly onto it and gently clean with a cloth or brush. Reattach everything, and if the throttle body is too damaged, you may need to replace it. After cleaning or replacing it, you'll notice smoother acceleration and improved throttle response. Your engine will run much better. 6. Checking and fixing vacuum leaks. Finally, if your engine is stalling, running rough, or you've got a check engine light, you might have a vacuum leak. A vacuum leak happens when unmetered air enters your engine, throwing off the air-fuel mix. Here's how to fix it. Inspect all the vacuum hoses and gaskets. Look for cracked, brittle hoses or loose connections. If you suspect a leak, use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner around the areas. If the engine RPM spikes or drops, you've found the leak. Replace any damaged hoses or tighten loose connections. If the gasket is the issue, you'll need to replace it. Once the leak is fixed, your engine will run smoother and your fuel efficiency will improve. And that's a wrap. These simple maintenance tasks can make a huge difference in your engine's performance. No expensive mechanic required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you've got any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Auto Repair.